Here is a question on general organic chemistry. Read the question carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. The basic strength of an anion is inversely related to the acid strength of its conjugate acid. Stronger the conjugate acid, lower pKa, weaker the base, weaker the conjugate acid, higher pKa, stronger the base. Moving on to the next step. Identify the conjugate acids of each anion. CH3P conjugate acid is CH4, methane. NH2Q conjugate acid is NH3, ammonia. OR conjugate acid is H2O, water. FS conjugate acid is HF, hydrofluoric acid. Moving on to the next step. Recall approximate pKa values of the conjugate acids. CH4, pKa 48. NH3, pKa 38. H2O, pKa 15.7. HF, pKa 3.2. And for the final step. Higher pKa of conjugate acid means the conjugate acid is weaker, which means the anion base is stronger. Order of pKa: CH4, 48, NH3, 38, H2O, 15.7, HF, 3.2. CH3, NH2 or F-. That is PQRS. Why other options fail? Option BQPRS is wrong because CH3 is a stronger base than NH2 pKa of CH4 pKa of NH3. Option CRQPS is wrong, it places OH above NH2 and CH3-, which contradicts the pKa ordering. Option DRPQS is wrong for similar reasons, misplacing OH at the top. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.